All right, here's some more practice, working our way through. So you should be able to, you should be pretty comfortable with kind of the process because again, it's really similar to what we were doing back in lesson 10.1. But pause, try it out, see, hey, how can I rewrite tangent of 11/12 pi in terms of something that I know? And then D and E, the next two problems, working our way backwards. Those ones will be a bit quicker. And then lastly on F, same idea with cotangent, um, just working your way through piece by piece. So pause, try these out, and then come back once you've given them a shot. All right, so here's tangent of 11 halves, or sorry, 11/12 pi. And we don't know what 11/12 pi is for tangent, but we do know we can write it tangent as, or sorry, 11/12 pi as 8/12 pi. We know that one. That's just 2/3, and plus 3/12 pi, which that one we know as well. That's 1/4 of pi. All right. Now, using our formula and kind of expanding this out, this is going to be the tangent of alpha. So the tangent of or before we go on, let's write it in our terms we're more familiar with. So tangent of 2/3 pi plus 1/4 pi. There we go. And that's equal to, drop it around back to the bottom. So that's going to be equal to tangent of 2/3 pi plus tangent of 1/4 pi divided by 1 minus tangent of 2/3 pi times tangent of 1/4 pi. There we go. Okay. Now what is this going to give us? Well, this all will break down to, this is equal to tangent of 2/3. That's going to be thinking through where would 2/3 be at, and that's going to be right over here, where our cosine is -1/2 and our sine is the square root of 3 over 2. So that's 2/3 pi. So the reference angle is 1/3 pi. All right, so what is tangent again of 2/3? Well, opposite over adjacent. So that's going to be negative root 3 plus tangent of 1/2 is just 1 over 1 minus, again, this is 1. So tangent of negative square root of 3. That's this right here. Negative square root of 3 times 1 gives us negative square root of 3. All right. And we end up with, let's see, what's that going to break down to? So this is going to multiply by the reciprocal here. Or we could rewrite this first as that being plus. So we're going to run out a little bit of room here. This is the same thing as, let's rewrite this as 1 minus the square root of 3 over 1 plus the square root of 3 multiplied by the reciprocal, or sorry, by the conjugate. So 1 minus the square root of 3 over 1 minus the square root of 3. That gives us 1 minus 2 times the square root of 3 plus 3 over 1 minus 3, which this cleans up now to, let's see, 1 plus 3 is 4, minus 2 root 3 all over negative 2. And the last step here, that will simplify out to, we'll factor out a 2 from everything, and we're going to get equals negative 2 plus the square root of 3. There's our answer. So kind of lengthy there, but hopefully that made a bit of sense. Go ahead and pause, come on back then, and we'll try the next one. Try B here, or I guess it's D actually. We'll try D here. So pause first, try it out, and then come on back. All right, so hopefully you're seeing, hey, this is going to be where I have tangent of alpha minus beta, because we've got the minus right here. So that's going to be our alpha is, here's our alpha, here's our beta. So alpha is 4 pi over 3, beta is pi over 12. So this is going to be tangent of alpha is, we said 4 pi over 3, 4/3 pi, minus pi over 12. All right, that'll simplify down, change it to common denominator, so multiply this by 4 over 4. So we've got 16 twelfths minus 1/12, both of pi, so this is going to be tangent of, yep, meant to change the black bit, oh well. Tangent of, we said here's 16, so 16 minus 1 is 15, pi over 12, which that'll reduce down. That's equal to tangent of, let's see, is that 5/4? Yeah, tangent of 5/4 pi. And so think about where would you have 5/4? So there's 4/4 and one more fourth. Hey, that's going to be pi over 4 as our reference angle, meaning our cosine and our sine are equivalent values, and they're actually both negative. So this is going to be equal to positive 1. There's your answer, positive 1. Next one, so pause, try it, come on back. Next one, E. Here we are. E is, hey, this time same idea. We've got our alpha, got our beta. So this is going to be the tangent of alpha minus beta again. Actually, you know what, let me pause right here and continue this one on in the, do the next two problems in the next video.